Argentina's Iguazu Falls, located on the border of Argentina and Brazil, is a breathtaking natural wonder that attracts tourists from all over the world. It's no wonder that Iguazu Falls, with its impressive landscape and powerful cascades, is considered one of the most beautiful waterfalls on Earth. Iguazu Falls offers a mesmerizing spectacle with a huge collection of cascades and lush greenery. The landscape is characterized by a complex network of 275 individual waterfalls stretching over approximately 2.7 kilometers. The most famous waterfall in this system is known as the Garganta del Diablo, where water falls into a deep chasm, creating a powerful display of the power of nature. When planning a visit to Argentina's Iguazu Falls, it is recommended to set aside at least one full day to fully appreciate its beauty. Get ready for breathtaking views and prepare your camera to capture stunning photos and videos.